and today we're going to show you how to make this really awesome dream catcher that you can get from Kidstop Toys and Books in Scottsdale, Arizona. Ready? Let's do it. First thing you need to do is take out all of the pieces for your dream catcher.
No, it's for the Mario. Oh.
And your instruction booklet. You're then going to follow the instructions for each piece of your dream catcher. It's pretty easy to follow, so instead of just sitting here and showing you all the directions, we're gonna actually do some video of us making it and how easy it was after we're done. Tell me how you liked doing the craft today. Did you like lacing the loop
Yeah.
with all the white gauze and string?
Mhm.
Did you like the feathers? Were you excited to make this project with me? Would you make this project again?
Yeah.
Awesome. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
Bye.